Today I'm sharing a chili cheese stick with you.
You will need 8 ounces of cream cheese softened at room temperature. You can use homemade chili or canned chili. We have made it with beans and without beans. This recipe will be with no beans. And then you're going to need some cheese. You can use any kind you would like. We like the taco blend because it has the Monterey Jack and the cheddar. Okay, with your softened cream cheese, spread it around your pie pan and we layer it in a pie dish. Then take your chili and pour it over the top of your cream cheese. Now this is a quick and easy dip that you could cook up really fast for any party, gathering. If company pops over, this is super fast. Okay, once your chili is smoothed out over the top of the cream cheese, add your cheese to the top. My sister noticed that heating her oven to 365 degrees was perfect for this dip. And let this cook for about 15 minutes and it gets all hot and bubbly. Oh my goodness, it is so yummy and such a crowd pleaser. Pair it up with your favorite chips, and there you have it, chili cheese dip. It is so good, and this is the recipe that you guys requested when we were out here in September, and you all wanted the recipe, so here you have it.